Was this really what you wanted? Was there any other way? Maybe just stay. 'Cause I am still here, and I've had the time. I would've listened to the logic and the reason running through your mind. Now I protect all that's dear to you, and I will wait if you want me to. But come on, stop making your way home. Make your way home. Can I ever understand the days that you've had? When despair has gotten the best of you, and there was nothing that the rest could do. Your back's against the wall. But what about all of these people? Can you not see the tears on our face, trying to embrace? There will be no second chances. There won't be another day. It's all just taken away. But I am still here, and I've had the time. I would've listened to the logic and the reason running through your mind. Now I protect all that's dear to you, and I will wait if you want me to. Making your way home. Truth that lives inside of you. Sing from your heart's flow. I'll make sure not to let go. This little boy wants to be big, and they let him be. This little boy likes the armory, and the fight was a riddle. He was lost in the middle. Spare me the days like this, when it's you I miss, my guideline. Were you blinded by someone else's life? Please be mine. city, there is no tomorrow. So let go of your sorrow. Just come away with me to places that you've never seen. Stand on the edge and see the life we lead. No stranger, no shadow. It's gonna teach you what I know.